In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a company and title field in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is the quickest way to begin a new sending process. Once the menu appears, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the package that contains your document, recipients, and all the fields you want people to complete. After that, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document out for signing and collect information directly from the recipient. Once you're in the setup screen, upload the document where you want to add the company and title fields. Make sure you're using the correct version of the file before moving on, since this is the document your recipient will receive. Next, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here, because this determines who receives the envelope and who will be able to complete the fields you add. Once the recipient details are entered, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll place all the fillable fields onto the document. Now go to the Fields panel and select the Company field. This field is useful when you want the signer to provide the name of their organization directly in the document. Drag the Company field onto the document and place it exactly where you want the recipient's company name to appear. Try to position it neatly so the final document looks clean and professional. Then, return to the Fields panel and select the Title field. This field allows the recipient to enter their job title, which is especially helpful for contracts, approvals, and business forms where role identification matters. Drag the Title field onto the document and place it where you want the recipient's job title to appear. Before sending anything, take a moment to make sure both the company and title fields are assigned to the correct recipient. This is an important check, especially if your envelope includes more than one signer. If the fields are assigned incorrectly, the wrong person may be prompted to fill them out. Once everything looks right, click Send to send the envelope to the recipient. At that point, DocuSign will deliver the document and the recipient will be able to complete the fields you added as part of the signing process. And that's it. You've successfully added company and title fields in DocuSign and sent your document out for signature. Thanks for watching.